All right, everyone. Welcome back to All Wings Everything, and I am your cook, Spinelli. Now, in today's video, we're gonna do sweet and sour wings. Now, what I like most about this recipe is the perfect blend of lime, chili sauce, and sugar. I'm telling you, it made these wings amazing. I was really surprised once I took a bite of those wings. So without further ado, let's cut the talking. Let's get to cooking. I'm in my kitchen. I hope you guys are in your kitchen. So let's go.
All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have kosher salt. We have some sugar, 1 lime. We're going to use some water. You can use tap water, doesn't matter. We have some fish and meat sauce. We also have some sweet chili sauce and minced garlic. So not that many ingredients, but this recipe is going to be great. So let's move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients and I've cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, or you can use soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which is 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, or you can use sriracha, 2 garlic cloves, and those are the ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our marinade. So what you want to do is add your water to a pan, also add your sugar, and what you want to do is you want to bring this substance to a boil. Now, once you bring it to a boil, what you want to do is you want to continue to stir it, and then you want to turn your heat down to medium low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, now once you've simmered it down for 5 to 7 minutes, you're going to add your fish sauce. Next, you're going to add your chili sauce, add your salt, then add your minced garlic, and lastly, add your lime juice. Now give this mixture a good stir and allow this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens. And once you do that, you're going to pour it into an empty dish, and then we're going to move on to the next step. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken and we're going to place it in a Ziploc bag. And we're going to take our mixture and we're going to pour that mixture over our wings. Now, you can use half of the mixture if you want, or you can use all of it. What I would do, I would prefer you to use all of it. And what you're going to do later on in the recipe is you're going to recreate that mixture again, so you can use that to sauce your wings at the end. So, but go ahead and use all your mixture, put it in your bags, mix the wings up in the mixture. And what we're going to do is we're going to marinate this for overnight. So that's about 8 hours. Minimum, I would do it for 4 hours, but let's try to get it marinated overnight to bring out the best of flavors. And once you do that, we'll see you. I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll see you in 8 hours. All right, as usual, what you want to do is you want to line your cooking sheet with aluminum foil. Then you want to spray your grates with cooking spray. Again, the foil is for easy cleanup. The grates is so the chicken don't stick. So go ahead and do that and we'll move on. All right, so now the 8 hours is complete. Take a look at it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove our chicken pieces from our bag and we're going to place them on a paper towel. And once you place all your chicken pieces on a paper towel, what you want to do is you want to take some more paper towels and just pat your chicken dry. And once you do that, we'll move on to the next step. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take those chicken pieces and place them on our cooking pan. So skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd your pan. And once you finish placing your chicken pieces on your pan, we'll move on to the next step. All right, so let's put these bad babies in the oven. So what we're going to do now is we've already preheated our oven to 400 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to Let these things cook for 50 minutes. And again, halfway through the cooking process, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the wings over and let them cook the remaining of the 25 minutes on the other side. So I'll see you in 25. All right, guys, so now the wings are done. I think I deleted the part where I flipped them over halfway through the cooking process. So that part of the video, I guess, got deleted. So we're at the end of the cooking process. So the wings are done. Let's place them on the counter. Let's take a look at them. Ooh, man. These wings look great. Juicy. I love the color. For some reason, when my wings come out the oven looking like this, I get excited because this is how I like my wings to look. For some reason, they look fully cooked, they look crisp, and they look juicy. I can already tell when I see them look like this, guys, I know they're going to be great. So go ahead, take a look at them, and we'll move on. All right, so now it's time for us to place these wings into our bowl. So let's go ahead and remove your chicken pieces from your pan, place them in the bowl. And once you do that, we'll move on to this final process. Again, these wings sauced. All right, so now we're going to sauce these wings. All I did for the sauce was I recreated the marinade that we did in the beginning. I just made another batch of that. And what you want to do is you want to pour that over your wings. You don't have to use all of it. I'm going to start off with half of it. Then I'm going to close the lid, take the lid, close it, do a little shaky bakey. Look at, I'm doing it with one hand. I'm something else. Now take your lid off and let's take a look at it. Guys, those wings look amazing. I'm telling you. Look at that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a clean plate and we're going to transfer these wings from that bowl onto this clean plate. So go ahead, put those wings on that clean plate, take a look at them, and we'll move on. And there you have it, guys. That's it. Sweet and sour wings. What do you guys think about that? And I garnished them with a sprinkle of red chili flakes. Just a little bit. You don't have to do that, but take a look at that, guys. Look at those sweet and sour wings. Guys, these things are amazing. I'm telling you. I know you guys are going to enjoy this. Take a look at them. All right, so it's time for me to do my quality control. You know I have to do that. That's a must. It's in my contract. So let me take me one. This is what I'm talking about, people. Guys, if you hadn't started on this recipe, I recommend you start right now. These wings are amazing. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I'm glad you guys stuck with me through this video. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys back in my next video. So I'm going to sit down at this table and I'm going to go through these wings. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.
All right, everyone. I know you guys enjoyed that video. Didn't I tell you those wings were amazing? Like I said, that perfect blend of chili sauce, sugar, and lime made these things outstanding. And the good thing about it, you can use this sauce not just only on wings. You can use it on other type of meats. But I'm telling you, this was a great recipe. And if you followed me through this recipe, I know you're eating on them wings now. But as soon as you're done, leave a comment below. If you plan on making these wings later, once you're done, I want to hear feedback below. So leave a comment. And for those, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. And please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family, friends, and co-workers. And remember, the ingredients to this recipe is in the video description below. So that's all I have for today. This is All Wings Everything. And I am your cook, Spinelli. And I am out. Peace. Everybody stand up. Introducing the one and only, the most anticipated, and highly underrated.